It's gonna be fine. I can fly anything.
Bardwell's in the driver's seat.
Why does your controller keep shouting at us?
Manned aircraft too close.
Manned aircraft too close.
Yeah.
That's the point.
It is the point.
Hey, DJI, we got this. We got this.
Yeah, so shut up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me and Ken Heron are gonna fly this plane today
Yeah.
for some value of fly.
I predict I'll be much better at it than you.
I do too.
We'll have to see.
With a name like Heron,
Right.
you gotta be good at flying,
Right.
Nobody ever heard of a Bardwell.
So this is a 1972, so it's younger than Ken. Cessna 172. Yeah. But it's a total restoration. New paint. That's actually a wrap on there.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it's like a NASCAR style wrap.
Okay.
We redid all the avionics inside, so unlike Ken, it doesn't show its age. It looks brand new.
So you gave it a facelift.
Yeah, I got a little facelift. Just renewed my insurance, and I upped it too as well, because I knew this flight was coming. So. Yeah. So my name is Jason Schappert. You know us from M0A or RemotePilot101.com. I'm a flight instructor. I'm a drone pilot. I helped Ken Heron pass this 107.
He's a tan god, and his smile is visible for 2 statute miles.
I brushed him today, thanks.
I think what we should do is turn the GoPros around backwards,
Yeah.
because I'm gonna feel safest coming up behind you.
Sure.
And then even the wing ones, if we turn them
Back
back,
at an angle, yeah.
I would love to kind of tuck up in here
Yes.
and get close. I mean, just kind of see
Absolutely.
how close I could get.
Have you chased planes before?
I have not chased a plane before.
There is a tremendous amount of prop wash
I would
directly
love to-
behind it.
That's what I want to know.
Okay.
Yeah. I want to feel those wingtip vortices, baby.
There you go.
Yeah, I want to find out what's what. If you had a back seat, I would ask if I could fly right into it.
No.
You would say no, you can't do that.
No,
you would say no, you can't do that.
I can
but
open a window.
I would try. I would try it.
No,
I would try it. No, I don't want to.
That's an expensive paint job.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would try it though.
Yeah.
That sounds fun as shit. Yeah, Ken, how is this, just for the folks in the comments who are going to be like, this is so irresponsible. How is this responsible, safe, and legal?
I have Ken with me.
Because I said so.
Okay, now once again for the FAA.
Because it's Class G untowered airspace, because we're in communication with the airport. We've coordinated with the pilot and the people on the ground and anything else.
And from a flying standpoint, I'm a flight instructor. I take up people who have no clue about airplanes all the time. I'm basically an expensive lifeguard. I let him take it right to the edge of drowning, and then I hop in and save him. So I'm there.
Gotcha. Hey, you guys, yeah, a little to the right, just,
How far should we go? How far?
Yeah, it's looking good,
Stay away, because Bardwell's going to be doing the acro, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna try and tuck in behind and get close or behind.
Or stay over these hangars.
So if you stay high,
good. Just
I'll
get a
try to be.
B-roll.
I'll try to be at the level of the plane.
Okay.
At 60 miles an hour, I won't need to. That'll work. That'll work pretty well.
You got to remember, there's a takeoff sequence where you can be much lower.
Right.
And the landing sequence, yeah, that's gonna be hard to judge depth as to how high we are.
Right.
So you don't want me to be behind you over the
No,
runway?
no, you can be over the runway.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah,
So if you stay to the side of the runway, and I'll try to stay behind him, and hopefully he'll stay over the runway. Then we'll all be
Hence the first landing.
We'll all be
Minor
good.
technicality.
Yeah.
What's the speed of the plane at takeoff?
60 miles an hour for takeoff, 60 for landing. Very,
Okay.
very straightforward.
Easy.
So remember, takeoff, Bardwell, you'll just be sitting there,
Right.
and we'll count down the radio, 3, 2, 1. I'm not a Ferrari though. It's,
Right.
It's a
It
really
accelerates slow.
It's a really slow
Oh,
acceleration.
I could outpunch it, no
exactly.
problem.
Don't do that. So, or whatever you want to do.
Right.
You could go around it for all I care. We'll have plenty of opportunities.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a lap in the pattern. It's a big rectangle. I'm gonna land.
Yeah.
Then we'll taxi back in. I'll shut down each time so that prop stops spinning. So
Right.
don't get near the plane until that prop stops spinning.
So I'm not going to follow you through the pattern, though.
No, because I'll be at 1,000 feet.
Yeah, you'll be at 1,000 feet. I'm
Okay.
not. I mean,
So just hang out by the runway,
Yeah.
waiting for that last little second to come in.
At this point, Ken Heron took the controls of the plane and decided that what he wanted to do with his time on the plane was act out a scenario many of us have imagined. The pilot is incapacitated and you have to land the plane. Jason took his hands off the controls and talked Ken through a landing. And Ken It was wild. That full footage is on Ken's video on his channel, which I've linked down in the video description and in a comment in the comments section, and you should totally check it out. But I'm just gonna tease you a little bit with bits of it, and then we're gonna go on and show you the rest of the day. I don't see him, but I mean, obviously, there he is. There he is.
I don't know where he is.
He's right there. He's on. He's on.
He's on like a short base right now.
Why is Ken Heron in the left seat?
Because he's the pilot.
Oh shit!
Shit indeed. Yes, sir.
All right, you want to stay in and get out, Ken?
I'll get out.
All right. Yeah. Look how graceful he is. He's like a gazelle.
I've always said that about him.
Yeah.
I did it. I drove the plane. That was me.
I was wondering why he's on the right side of the taxiway. He goes, "This is like an interstate, right?" I said, "No, you need to be on the center line."
I was letting the other planes go down the other way.
All right, Dylan. What are you about to do?
Fly a plane.
How do you feel about that?
Good.
Stoic. Stoic.
All right. So we, oddly enough, we steer an airplane with our feet.
Oh.
So you're going to use your feet, and we're going to inch up here a little bit. Looking good. Rolling in 3, 2, 1. All right, everything looks good. We're holding right here. We're gonna wait till we get to 60 miles an hour. When we get to 60 miles an hour, we're gonna start to kind of baby it on back. There it comes. We're gonna baby it on back like this. Looking good. Keep it coming back. My hands are right here, by the way. You're doing everything now. I'm not doing anything. Look at it. Why are you so much better than Ken? Why couldn't Ken do this? That was just a little bump. Don't worry. That was the wind. That wasn't you. Good job. You must play a lot of video games, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, you're really good. It shows. All right, roll out on east. So you're going to... Oh, look. Why couldn't you fly with me first? Why do I have to fly with Ken? You got my blood pressure raised up, you know? All right, when you're ready, give me a left turn heading north, please. So good. Seriously, I just had my hand on the throttle. Like, you're doing everything. Mayfield traffic, tag 2 Mike Zulu is turning final, runway 19er, Mayfield.
Mayfield Mike Zulu, are you the YouTube guy?
That's me.
I like your stuff.
Appreciate you, man. All right, and we're gonna come in here. And I want you to look all the way down that runway and just pull back just a little bit. Hold it right here, hold it right here. Woo! Found it. Not graceful, but we got it down. Good job. I'm gonna get on our brakes a little bit here. I got you the flight controls from here. Not too bad, man, for a guy that's never flown an airplane before.
That was a good landing, sir.
You talking to me?
That was good.
Oh, it's talking to him. Tell him I'm gonna circle him and don't freak out.
Oh shit, okay. I'm glad you said it, 'cause I'm right in
Don't
front of
freak
him.
out, but Bardwell's quad is stuck in the wheel well.
Shut up.
I don't see it.
I'm just making stuff up, man.
You gotta look for a second.
Made you look. Oh yeah, yeah. You've just been power looped, sir.
Getting there.
If I leave both doors open, you wanna fly through it?
That's iffy.
You see, FAA, we decided that was too iffy and dangerous, right?
It's just really tight in there, and there's many little screens I could shatter, and I don't like that.
That's what is that? Is that bravado on the list?
That's good judgment.
Yes. Hold my beer.
He did so much better than Ken Heron. Like, my blood pressure is relaxed.
He was low and slow, just like. How was it, Dylan?
Amazing. I flew a plane.
You flew a plane.
Better than me, apparently.
Yeah.
We just need a little bit of muscle.
Oh, yeah, I got you covered.
By muscle, did he mean a giant ass? Because Ken not only has a giant ass, but is a giant ass.
Hey, my tail is on your tail.
Bill did so good, seriously. I asked him, do you play video games? He goes, yeah, a lot. It shows.
That's great. That's great. Steering or am I steering? Who's
You're
steering?
steering, sir. You're in full control.
Oh, good for me.
Yeah. I'm just here for the make it legal.
Okay, great. Exciting.
All right, I'm gonna smoothly apply some full power. You can put both hands on the yoke if you want. When we get to 60, which will show right there, we're not gonna rip it back, we're not gonna baby it back, we're gonna just smoothly bring it on back.
Okay.
Yep, toes to the bottom of the pedals, exactly, good. My hands are right here. All right, we're going here, wait till we get to 60. Here it comes, just baby it back, a little more, and a little more. Now we're flying, good job. Good job. Fly that center line straight out. You can see it. Good. Lower that note. Yeah. You don't want to be in a position where you can't see.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're doing great. I haven't touched a thing.
I cannot see.
Not me either. Don't worry. Don't worry. We'll feel our way through the sky.
Okay.
Not many mountains to worry about.
That's good. You're taller than me.
Yeah, there, that's what it
You
is.
can see over the dash.
There it is. You're doing great. All right, roll us out on east. And in about 10 seconds, give me a big left turn to north, please. That'll be your downwind.
Alrighty.
And Mayfield traffic, Sky Clear Mike Zulu's turn left downwind runway 19er, Mayfield. All right, you can make that turn to north here.
And Benton County.
We're going to level off here about this altitude, about 1,400 feet. I'll bring a little bit of power back so we can stop climbing. Bring that nose down to the horizon. I know it's hard to see today, so hazy. Well, I think it's that wildfire smoke still. We're going to come in for a landing here, so just let's start to descend now.
Okay.
Yep, not that aggressively. Let it, there you go. Gravity will just bring it down by bringing the throttle back.
Well. But get there faster, right?
Yeah, they make a left turn to west now. Mayfield traffic, Sky Clear Mike Zulu's turn left base 19er full stop, Mayfield.
Oh, is that thing to the right of the altitude your descent rate?
Yep, that's the 400 feet per minute, 500 feet per minute. You're exactly right. We want to be about 400 or 500 feet, but just right where you're at. Now you're a little aggressive.
That's a little too much.
Yeah.
I got you.
There you go. We don't pick it up so much because then you'll end up in a stall situation.
Yep. I'm looking at too many things at once.
That's okay. How far was your drive in?
About 4 or 5 hours.
Wow, that's dedication.
Oh, when Ken invites you somewhere, man, you
gotta do it.
He's a good time.
I got your power all the way back. Cruising on in, life's looking good. We're a little higher than I'd like to be, and you're aiming towards the grass. You're saying you go more to the right.
Yeah. You got a crosswind.
We sure do have a crosswind. I feel that now.
I see you nosing it in.
Yeah.
I know I'm not doing that.
Yeah, I got the right rudder down.
You're doing the hard part. Probably doing a lot of the parts.
No. A little more to the right. I want to land on the grass.
Woo! Woo!
Doing great.
Right on the line. Right on the
line's right. Okay. Now, and transition to like you want to fly level. Perfect. Right here. Oh, a little early. Okay, bring it down now. Do that same thing again. Hold it right here. Look down that runway. Down that runway. Down that runway. Woo! Good job. Got our flaps here. I'll get the brakes. Not too shabby.
Oh, that was great. Ken, thank you so much for having us out here. Jason, thank you so much for letting me,
of course,
fly your plane.
You did fly it. You did fly it. Your son did better, but it's okay.
That was a blast.
Flew the plane.
That was a blast.
Flew the plane.
M0A for your Part 107 test prep, or if you think you want to be a pilot, all the way from private pilot up to making you a flight instructor, we can do it all. We have a great channel, M0A and Remote Pilot 101.
Links in the video description below.
And he's got some teeth whitening tips for you ladies.